everybody, Justine here from the Arts College. Welcome to our children's monthly updates of what they've been up to, what they've been doing in the art class. So let's just jump right in and have a look what they've been up to. So if you have a look here, a lot of the children, we've been actually looking at how to do interior, specifically sofas. And we've been looking at how their sofas come to light with step-by-step examples on how to actually draw the sofa. So it's been really fascinating to see children kind of build it up from scratch and actually have that dimensional approach. Then also what we've been working on is our mixed mediums, which is how to take it to a whole new level using oil pastels and felter pens. And for this month we've been working on ink. So we've just started introducing this, which is our drawing inks, and we're looking at doing in each area what it is connected with. So how do we actually use the inks first, and then we're relating it to specific projects and subjects. So it's been really inspiring. For our advanced children, we've been looking at actually working through the next level of drawing portraits and working with teenage faces and hair. So we've been building that up and building it every week so that they can work through for this month. So it's been absolutely inspiring working with the children as usual.